This is the letter A and this is the letter A nosinė. That little tail you see is called nosinė. So in Lithuanian alphabet we have two A's, A and A nosinė. They're both vowels. In today's video we're going to be focusing on their pronunciation. A can represent a short or long sound and A nosinė is always long. So we're going to start with a short vowel sound, A. I, aš, aš, mum, mama, mama. Coffee, kava, kava. Puddle, bala, bala. Island, sala, sala. Car, mašina, mašina. Tea, arbata, arbata. Eye, akis, akis. America, America, America. Holiday, atostogos, atostogos. That's perfect. So we're going to move on to a long vowel sound, A. Labas, hello, labas. House, namas, namas. Shoe, batas, batas. Leaf, lapas, lapas. It's hot, karšta, karšta. It's cold, šalta, šalta. Banana, bananas, bananas. Scarf, šalikas, šalikas. Key, raktas, raktas. Africa, Africa, Africa. Summer, vasara, vasara. Ačiū, thank you, ačiū. That's fantastic. So we're going to finish with a long vowel sound, A nosinė. And the first word that everyone learns that starts with A nosinė is oak tree. Ąžuolas, ąžuolas. Goose, žąsis, žąsis. Brave, drąsus, drąsus. So here's a question for you. Can you hear the difference in the pronunciation of a long vowel sound A and A nosinė? So let's take a look at the following sentence. I love mum. Aš myliu mamą. Aš myliu mamą. Here's another one. I love coffee. Aš myliu kavą. Aš myliu kavą. So the answer is, the pronunciation is exactly the same. Long vowel sound A and A nosinė are pronounced exactly the same way. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, I've included links to my other videos in the description below. Ačiū ir iki!